Good morning. Today we'll be working on lesson 16. To start lesson 16, we're going to work on place value. So I'll say the equation and then we'll put the answer together. So 70 plus 4. Here's the question. 70 plus 4 equals, say it with me, 70 plus 4 equals 74. One more time. 70 plus 4 equals 74. Next equation, 70 plus 9. Say it with me. 70 plus 9 equals 79. Next one, 40 plus 9. 40 plus 9 equals 49. Great job. Next one, 90 plus 6. 90 plus 6 equals 96. Next, we're going to count by tens to 100. Listen first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So if we know how to count by tens by to 100, we also can count from any number by tens. Ready? If I'm going to start at 35, I'm going to start in the 30s. If I'm going to start at 35, I just count on by tens. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105. Let's count by tens for a few more numbers. Now we're going to start at 23. 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. Great job. One more number. We're going to start at 28 and count by tens. 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98. Great job. Next part. We're going to look for some facts. My turn to read the turnaround fact. Ready? 5 plus 1 equals 6. I'm going to leave a line so we can go back and add the turnaround fact. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 9 plus 0 equals 9. We're going to go back and do turnaround facts for each of these numbers. Okay, next, we're going to go back and we're going to add the turnaround facts. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. We could also say 1 plus 5 equals 6. This way we have the same numbers, but just a different way. We have 1 first. Next turnaround fact, 1 plus 7 equals 8. Or we could say 7 plus 1 equals 8. Next turnaround fact, 9 plus 0 equals 9. Or 0 plus 9 equals 9. Nice job. Next on our worksheet, we're going to do reading 3-digit numbers. Here's the first 3-digit number. Remember, when I say 3-digit numbers, I don't say the word and. So if my number is 132, I don't say 132. I say 132. Here's the next number, 160. Listen, 160, 117, 147. These are hundreds numbers. Part of each hundreds number is underlined. Ready? Here's part that's underlined. 132. The 32 is underlined. The whole number is 132. What's the whole number? 132. Good job. Here's the next number, 160. Part of the number is underlined. 60 is underlined. What's the whole number? The whole number is 160. The whole number for the next one is 117, but 17 is underlined. The whole number is 117. Last one, 147. The underlined part is 47. The whole number is 147. Next, we're going to look at some -1 facts. 5 minus 1 equals, and 5 minus 5 equals. One of these is a -1 fact. Which one is -1? This one is. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Say it with me. 5 minus 1 equals 4. This equation is a minus problem, but not -1. It is 5 minus 5. Do you know what 5 minus 5 is? You're right. 5 minus 5 equals 0. I'll tell you a number, and then you're going to tell me what's one more. Ready? If I say 7, what is one more than 7? Think about it. I'm going to do a couple, and then we'll go back and put the answers. 7 plus 1 equals 10 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 7 plus 1 equals 8. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Nice job. The next thing we're going to do is something new. It looks a little bit different than we've done before. So we're going to have 5, 1, and then a little arrow to the 6. Okay, so this is called a number family. It's called a number family because if we add it, we would do 5 plus 1 equals 6. This is supposed to be like an arrow. Let's see. There we go. Equals 6. So they're showing you if you go this way, you're going to do 5 plus 1, and then the answer is going to be 6. This is something we're going to do today. We'll come back to again to keep practicing. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And 7 plus 1 equals 8. Nice. So each number is part of the number family. 2 of the numbers are small and 1 of the numbers is big. When you're doing a number family, you always have 2 small numbers and 1 big number. When you're adding, you can add any number, but you're going to end up with a bigger number. When you're subtracting, you always start with the bigger number. Right now, we're going to focus on adding. So we're always going to add the two smaller numbers to get the larger number. So 5 and 1 are the smaller numbers. 3 and 1 are the smaller numbers. And 7 plus 1 are the smaller numbers. Okay? We're going to stop there for today. Tomorrow, we're going to do the workbook part of the lesson. So I posted the workbook underneath of this lesson so that you can get that part ready today for tomorrow's lesson. So watch this video, then complete the workbook page. You're not going to do the answers yet. You're just going to copy down the answers or print it out if you're able to. Okay, tomorrow we're going to go through the workbook part of the page together, and you're going to have that page ready for the lesson. Great job today.